No! No! There's definitely a lot missing here. Okay, so today I thought about doing this 10-minute, 1 minute and 10 seconds challenge. So I have here everything prepared. I have my countdown here. We're going to try and draw this character here. This is my OC, her name is Kida. She's the one I'm more used to drawing. So we're going to be drawing her first in 10 minutes, then 1 minute, and finally 10 seconds. I'm very nervous about it because I don't do well with time tasks. They make me very nervous. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to create here a new layer. I'm going to do sketch, line art, and then color. No shadows, I think. Let's start this. So the first problem is, what pose should I use for the character? It needs to be something simple, right? At least it should. Her bow, she has very curly hair. Let's try to do something similar to what we have on the drawing that I showed you. Okay, this looks a bit weird and she's too long. Her body's too long. She's very shy. Okay. She has an eye patch on this side, so let's draw that. Alright. It goes all the way down here. I think it's actually longer usually, but oh well. And her hand here. Alright, that's not a bad sketch. Let's go for the line art. So I'm going to do here a vector layer, change for my pen brush, and now we can start doing the line art. So coloring is probably going to be pretty quick, because we're just going to need to fill in the shapes, especially if I'm not adding shadows. We'll see if we have time for that. So probably don't. 6 minutes in, so I'm getting a bit worried we won't even be able to finish this. This is definitely going to be looking like a more detailed sketch. Oof, I need to move with this, so let's be quick about it. Just realized I'm missing the hair. Meanwhile, I just erased a hand that I need to redraw again. A very bad hand, by the way. Oof, I don't like this arm either. We can do this. Coloring is very quick. We don't need to do a lot in the coloring part, so it's fine. This is not a perfect hand, but it's better than what we had so far, so okay. I don't hate it. It could be definitely better, but I don't hate it. Again, I feel that it's a sketch of a sketch. Alright, so I think we can go in and add color. And maybe, if we do have the time for that, add... I think this looks a bit weird, but oh well. We can maybe even add a little bit of shadows. Or maybe not, since now I decided to change the eye patch a little bit. Because I am that stubborn. Okay. So let's add color. Let's stop doing this. I have... Where do I have the colors? I thought I added the... Oh no, I added the colors there. Okay, it's fine, it's okay. So, we have this pink for the scarf. Now I just realized I have here a line that's not good. and I need it here. Yes, better. Now, continuing with the coloring, the scarf. Now, the pants are this color. The blouse is this pastel pink color. I forgot also to pick up the skin here and the brooch color, so that wasn't very smart of me. Now the bow is also pink, the hair is this bluish tone, and finally the skin. How many time do we have? Okay, we're more or less on time. Okay, so now I can, first of all I need to just saw that I'm missing here a line again. Okay. Ooh, the time is almost up. Okay. We're almost done too, so it's fine. 30 seconds. So am I missing something? Am I not missing something? I hope I'm not missing. Oh, the eye. The white here in the eye. Let's just add here a little pink to the blush. No, maybe not. Okay, we did it. Here it's also kind of, oh no, okay, we did it. We did the 10 minutes. This is how it looks like right now. So this is the original drawing. It's not that bad, but for example, her proportions are wrong. She's way shorter than what I drew here, so that's something. Let me just add the colors somewhere else so we can always get to them. Okay, so we have here our 10-minute drawing. It's not bad. I mean, it could be much worse, but it's not my best either. I can do much better. I think what I learned is that 10 minutes is way longer than it seems. So I just end up rushing myself and doing the things, and then I realize, oh no, I still have some time, and then I go slower, but I do it too slowly. I don't know, it's maybe something that if you practice doing 10-minute drawings, you'll actually end up with great results, or at least good results. But right now it's just 10 minutes doesn't seem that long, but it actually is. But nevertheless, like I said, this is not the best drawing I've ever done, so let's see how 1 minute ends up. Okay, are we ready for this? Let's do this. I'm not sure I'm ready for this, but okay, it's counting. This is terrible. I hate this. Oh god. What a mess. Okay, let's do lines. Let's do that lines. The sketch isn't the most important, so it's fine. I won't have. Okay. Oh god. Ten seconds left. Oh sure, yeah, this is going to be finished, all right. No. Huh. Well, so this is 1 minute. There's definitely a lot missing here. Oh my god. I really don't know what will happen in the 10 seconds. It's not going to be good. Oh man. So I did a sketch, and then I did a worst sketch. That's what I learned here. That's what happened. I didn't even finish the hair nor the bow. Everything is out of place. This looks like one of those drawings you do where you have your eyes closed and you're trying to draw something. I think that's what it looks like right now. Okay. Take 10 seconds, right? 10 seconds. Okay, I want to do the first sketch. Maybe that was also my mistake with the 1 minute. Let's just go with a pen and see what happens. This is going to be something else. I could also just go... No, I can't work with color only, like just shapes of color. That won't work. So, okay. Okay, let's do this. Oh Jesus, okay, I'm already... Well, I mean, I think I've captured her main... I think I've captured her main features, like the big and curly hair, the bow and the eye patch. The eye patch is definitely one of her most important features. Okay, so that was fun. If I ever draw something and I think, wow, that's bad, I've never drew anything as bad as this, I'll have to try and remember these ones. That as long as I have time, I can make everything better and there will be good drawings. If I don't, then this is what we have, this is the result. I'm actually quite happy about the first one. I think it still looks cute. At the same time, I feel that it's not really me. I didn't draw this, you know, it's like it's not my style, but I like it nevertheless. And the other two were fun. I mean, this was a fun challenge. I wouldn't mind doing this more often. It's definitely an interesting challenge, and learning to do things with shorter time can be important because that way you learn on how to focus on what's important in the drawing. So that's something fun and interesting. I wouldn't mind trying to do some 10-minute drawings and see what happens, or even 1 minute. I mean, they won't be perfect, obviously, and they're not supposed to be perfect. So yeah, this was fun. I hope you had fun watching me draw these beautiful, beautiful drawings. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified when new videos are up. And as always, keep on drawing.